All right, I got the Maze 180 liter twin tumbler composting cart. This is what it looks like when you get it. So when you get this, they give you these two items that come with it. So you have all the tools to assemble. This is a 4mm Allen wrench. This is a 10mm and 8mm little box wrench. Originally, I decided not to use this, but then I realized I did use this. This was helpful in assembling this. And I ended up using this drill and this 4mm T-wrench. And that made it a lot easier. Just a Phillips head. The unit itself is basically 26 by 26 and it's 38 inches tall. So the assembly on this looks a little daunting, but it wasn't bad. You just assemble this section first, you put the bar in, the legs attach on there. It took me maybe a half hour after never doing it before. So just to show you a few things, if you have a composting cart, there's about 15 inches of clearance underneath of here. So it's got sliding doors on it that are removable. Basically, you've got two different sections. The one you're working on, and when you're done with that one, you can change the doors around. Just slide them out, move them to the other side, so you can continuously keep composting. The legs on here are metal. They're pretty sturdy. This whole thing itself doesn't weigh much. I could pick it up, no problem, and move it. It's got a stainless steel axle that goes through here, and this is UV protected. One of the cool features on this is it has a crank on it. Also, it has this lever on here so that when you're cranking it, it'll stop and keep it from rotating if you want. Or if you want to, you can just lock this into place and it can go any way you want. Both sides have sliding vents on them for aeration. So if you're looking for a composter, it's relatively lightweight, easy to turn. There's this cool crank system they have on here. Check out this one by Maze, 48-gallon composter.